Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over my summer bucket list. Summer is here and I'm going to show you guys what you should do this summer to make it the best one yet. If you're excited, make sure to click the like button and subscribe if you want more content. Okay, so I made a bucket list on my notes app and I'm just going to go through everything. I'm going to put some aesthetic pictures on the screen to get you motivated to do these things, and let's just go over the list. First off, I want to go to the beach, specifically with my friends if I can, but oh my gosh, I just love the beach. It's just like the epitome of what summer is in my personal opinion, and you don't even have to go for like a long amount of time. You can go in the water, you can tan, you can play in the sand, you can ride bikes on the boardwalk, you can go to like places and stores on the boardwalk. It's just so fun and I really like going to the beach. Next up is going on a pool day with your friends or family or whoever you want. I love going to the pool. I think it's so much fun, and if you're a person who likes to splash or tan, either way, it's a really fun experience, and it is a lot of fun to just go in the pool and just enjoy the nice days that summer provides. Next up, I have read a book. I'm currently reading a bunch of books. Overall, yeah, just read. Make sure to prioritize yourself and go outside, put out a blanket, sit under a tree, and just read. I think it's just really nice to just read during the summer, especially when you're really busy during the school year. It can be hard to read, but when you have so much time, when you have so much time during the summer, I think you just gotta spend some time on your mind and read. Next up, go thrifting. I've never been thrifting before, but hopefully I can do it this summer. I think it'd be so fun to go with some friends and just like find outfits for each other and like try stuff on, and maybe even just try things on that you know you'll never get, just for fun. And I think it looks so much fun and I really want to go thrifting. Another thing, babysit, trying to make some money. I've implemented in my neighbors' minds that I can babysit for their children, so maybe one day during the summer I'll like babysit. Next thing on my summer bucket list is a photo shoot with friends. I love taking photo shoots with my friends. Literally so much fun. I love doing that, and it is like the best thing ever. And then you can like edit them, post them on Instagram. Lots of fun. I love taking photo shoots with my friends. So much fun. And speaking of photo shoots, one photo shoot that I really want to do is like a tennis court photo shoot. They're literally so aesthetic, and you can just see the inspiration photos that I have here. So cool. Love that. Some other places you can take photos include in a parking garage, under a tree, in the middle of the street. You could take photos in the rain. You could also take photos within a photo or in a grocery store. All these look really cool. Another idea is going to like a charcuterie like picnic with your friends. You can go to some park or somewhere, bring a picnic blanket and bring a bunch of charcuterie things and just like eat and have just fun. And I think that sounds like a lot of fun. Next thing, kind of like photo shoot worthy, is going to a flower field. You can take a bunch of pictures with your friends, pick some cute flowers, and it sounds like a lot of fun. Next up, have a board game night with your friends. Grab a bunch of board games, grab some snacks, and set the mood, and just play board games. I think board games are so fun. You play Monopoly, chess, whatever kind of game you want. And I think it's just such a good way to have fun with your friends, and you could even like take everyone's phones, put them in a basket, and make it a no phone zone. Okay, next idea, which might be hard to do now because we're kind of in the middle of the summer, but you can still start it, is take a selfie every day and then make like a slideshow of how you've changed throughout the summer. And I think it's kind of fun. An idea, you could even do it next summer if you want to just like see how much you've changed over the summer. Speaking of capturing a makeover, I would suggest doing a little glow up. Do something different with your hair, get your nails done, go to a eyelashes appointment or any other thing that you like to do to just kind of, you know, spruce yourself up a little bit, make yourself feel good. Maybe you could get a self tan if you really want, if that's what you want to do, but just like work about making you feel like your best self, and that'll make your summer feel like the best summer yet. Next idea is going mini golfing. Literally love going mini golfing. So much fun. And hopefully I can go mini golfing this summer. It's just like such a fun idea. You can go like with friends or a significant other or family, it doesn't matter. You can literally go with anyone, and it's literally so much fun. I love mini golfing. Another thing is you can go to a carnival or fair. I love going to these like little like small like amusement park little things happening in your own town. It could be in a beach or just in your own like neighborhood, and it's so much fun to go to like a summer carnival where you can just get candy and eat lots of fun foods. You can go on rides and win prizes and things. I think it was so much fun, and lots of cool things to do. Next thing, you should try going bike riding with your friends. You could find like a cool trail to go on, or you could just go bike riding around your neighborhood or at the beach. I think bike riding is so much fun, and it definitely is something you should do over the summer because the weather is great and it's just a lot of fun. And the inspo pictures of bike riding with friends, oh, looks so fun. Another thing you can do is like do some kind of craft with friends. You could paint, you could make something out of clay, you could do really anything. You can make collages, do whatever you want, just make a whole like crafting day. You could sit outside on the porch or anything like that, and I think that would be honestly so much fun. You could make games too where you do like, everyone has to start painting, and then every 5 minutes you have to switch paintings, and then you have to like continue everyone else's paintings. That sounds so much fun. I really want to do that with my friend. Next thing is to do something like late at night. I feel like, don't you always hear people saying enjoy life while you're young? And I definitely agree that we should just enjoy life while you're young, or maybe if you're not young, still enjoy life. I think it'd be so fun to just like go somewhere late at night, take pictures, or act like you're paparazzi or something, and honestly that'd be so much fun. And just go get like snacks and like just have a sleepover and all that stuff. Next thing is have a sleepover. You could watch movies, you could do whatever you want, and this would be so much fun. Speaking of movies, you can go to like a drive-in movie theater with your friends or anyone really, and that would be like so much fun. You get all the snacks and you can watch a movie. Another thing is you could do like a trampoline fort sleepover thing. That looks really cool. I don't have a trampoline, but my friend does, so maybe we'll do that this summer. That's kind of cool. A few ideas I forgot to include are going berry picking with some friends, doing a bonfire and like baking s'mores, playing outdoor water games, or watching a movie outside. Hopefully you guys like these ideas, and hopefully they inspire you to have the best summer yet. Also, just to make summer the best summer yet, carry a camera around with you, whether it's like a Polaroid camera or like an Insta camera or anything, even your phone. Just take pictures all the time. I love taking pictures. You just capture the memories. It's such a good way to live, and you can always look back on things, and then at the end of summer you could make a little summer like video or scrapbook or something like that with your friends. Okay, so hopefully you guys found these ideas helpful and inspiring. Hopefully you guys have a good summer, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!